Welcome back. This week's adventure. Vinny flew his drone into a tree just above his head. Roy Cropper and Chris Martin make an appearance. And the travelling TraVins have landed in Warwickshire. They've dropped into Long Itchington, a village known for its 7 pubs, canal paths and riverside pints. They found a hidden campsite behind the Green Man, and the smug little gits already think they've nailed the weekend. This is chaos, camping and pure TraVins energy. Welcome to the Long Itch.
Shine for you and everything you do. Yeah, they were all yellow. I came along, I wrote a song for you.
Oh, welcome back to the channel.
Welcome back to the channel. This is Vinny's booking.
This is the ultimate man's dream, where we're going and what is in the surrounding area. And it's not too far away from home, it's only 49 minutes.
It might be a woman's dream too.
Why?
Well, it might be.
I hope it isn't. I've done this for me.
Anyway, stay with us and see what a man's dream looks like.
Your skin, oh yeah, your skin and bones.
So we've arrived at the Green Man. Whiffy, go and do your whiff duties. Book us in. This looks great. Oh yes. We're level in a field.
So
What are you doing, babes?
Oh, flipping hell, what?
What are you doing?
I'm in a pub garden putting a windbreak up for the very first time in my life.
God, you had your awning out last time.
Windbreak this time. Looking after him, he keeps eating wet grass, and I'm going to go and shift over to the pub in a minute and have a pint.
Whoop whoop!
Ba-bum. So we've just popped into the Green Man and we've had a beer Moretti and a
Bit of lemon.
bit of lemon, £7.80. Not bad. Could have been a lot worse than that.
Hello. Guess what I'm googling? That house for sale, right there.
The house is for sale.
I'm addicted to properties.
She is addicted to property. It's right next to the pub. It's got motorhome parking. Could be a winner. This place is beautiful, by the way. Long Itchington in Warwickshire. Right, I'm going to enjoy my lovely pint. Hope you're all well. Easter bank holiday.
I'll be gone by the time this is up.
I'll be gone by the time this goes up, so
Hope you will.
yeah, hope you're alright. I am. Anyway, this village, Long Itchington, has got 7 pubs. I will put the population count up there. But I don't know it at the
Now
moment.
hang on a minute. I've put the population count up.
Oh, huh?
I've put the population count up here. And this is the map where all the pubs are. And this is another map. And I don't know what I'm going to show on this map, but I'm showing you 3 things now.
Possibly only one will happen, because I have to put the things up that Whiffy wants to point out. And that's why we argue about this.
No, we don't argue.
No, we don't argue. We never argue.
I just tell you what to do. Then there's no argument.
Yeah. Trouble is with my wife, she steals a little bit of my masculinity. A bit competitive with my masculinity, my wife is. Anyway, she's giving me a dirty look. I'm going to enjoy my beer, Matty, and I'll get back to you later.
it's true. Look how they shine. they shine for you. Look how they shine for you. Look how they shine. Look at the stars. Look how they shine for you. And all the things that you do.
I was just about to say, I love my dry robe. I'm nice and warm. I was freezing earlier.
I love the Royal. Is that it though? There's no cheese in there?
Yeah, melted cheese, pesto, walnuts.
No, I
sweet
meant
chilli.
chicken.
No.
I love the chicken one.
It is marinated chicken with a beautiful bit of sriracha. Then we've got the lovely little jalapenos in there with a little bit of crispy baby salad and a bit of black pepper, and wow, there
Voila.
we go, baby.
Voila.
Well, that put them in a food coma. A good one, that is. That motorhome will have a few bad eggs laid in the night, burping and all kinds of bodily noises. At least Vinny remembered to film the sunset. So you won't hear from them again now. That's it for tonight. We will see you in the morning.
Bones sinking like stones, all that we fall for. Homes, places we've grown, all of us are done for.
Down towards the big village pond and head south of the village. Start at the Green Man.
Okay. So look at this place in number 8, look. It's a flipping fantastic old building, this, look. It's really quirky. You can see in there or not. It's lovely. Amazing, isn't it? A few old woodworms in there.
And if you turn behind you, there's pub number 2, the
Ooh.
Harvester.
Fantastic. So how many pubs we got here?
7.
How many ponds?
1.
How many shops?
1. It's a bloody good village.
And is that not the old asbestosy downpipe? I bet it is, you know. Oof. Ugh, leave that one well alone. Good morning.
And 3 minutes down the road, you've got this great pub, the Buck and Bell.
And behind me is the one pond.
It's the largest pond in Warwickshire. There you go. That's a fact for you.
And now we have another pub.
Or Indian restaurant. It's a full-blown Indian, guy.
Bit sneaky, this one, because I thought it was a pub, but it's not, it's an Indian restaurant. Still only one pond though, and one shop. Lovely. So it's a bit noisy with the cars and that, but look at the state of that. That is a beautiful building, absolutely stunning. Got a nice little Range Rover outside. I found pub number 4, I think. The Two Boats.
And I think this is the winner. Look at this one.
Sorted. Now it starts to rain. Quick change. started to heave it down. Got a brolly though. So this is a nice pub, and then you've got another pub just over the side of the river. I don't quite know what its name is. I don't quite know what the name is of that pub, but there's another one there. And then you've got Winchbag. That's why Nelson doesn't come to the pub with as much. This is all we'll get out of him. That was bang on. That was lovely, that was.
Fuck's sake.
Yeah, we did film it. He's got a broken arm on it. I imagine that's repairable. So the wind just nipped that into that tree.
Turn it round to Whippy. I said to him, don't take it out, it's really windy. What did he do? What cap you got on, Vin?
I've got my cop cap on. Oh, gonna nearly super glued my fingers.
Remember with in Devon you played with super glue and you super glued your mouth together?
That's me trying to take the cap off, wasn't it?
Yeah, he's trying to fix the step on the Vandal.
Does this mean I get a new drone now then? Because the DJI Mini 5's come out now. No? I think we might have to. We'll have to invest in a new drone with. Maybe I don't want this repair to work.
Keep trying. You fixed it?
It kind of like 20% wants to glue, so I imagine it just needs to heal a bit more. I'm just slightly worried if it's out of alignment by any degree, whether it's off balances or anything. I'll try it anyway. It doesn't take passengers, does it?
Oh dear. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. Good morning everybody. It's sunny here at the Green Man. Oh look, here comes Roy Cropper. Don't you think he looks like Roy Cropper with that bag? Or is it Coldplay? Yellow. You're a cross between Roy Cropper and what's the guy out of Coldplay?
Shut up.
I can't think of his name from Coldplay that wears those tucks. Chris Martin.
Oh, behave with
Roy Cropper and Chris Martin.
all in one.
all the things that you do.
What are you doing, man?
I just thought I'd film a man at work.
Busy, that. Hey, we're all doing something apart from you. Why does this never go back in the way it come out?
Picnic. Problem. Oh no, I can't use that one.
Picnic, problem in chair, not in computer. That's what you get called at work. You're the picnic at work. Oh, excuse me, I've got more jobs to do.
You're a buffet. Big useless fat fingers, extra training.
Oh.
That's what they used to say to you.
What are you going to do with that then? Or what am I going to do with that?
Oh, what are you going to do? Tell everyone what you're going to do with it.
Roll it up the other way round so that that's on the inside, and I'll have to hose it down when I get home.
Forget about it, eh?
But look, we've stupidly parked right now south.
You haven't put a mic on, have you? Oh, Nelson. Look what you've just gone and done. Look, and I'm just stood here filming, watching it all go on.
You're not doing live sports. It'd be like, vong, vong. Oh.
Whoop, whoop. Right. I better out this man right. Oh no, he's nearly done it.
Done it all.
Good work.
Went to Chausson. Packed everything away.
Good work.
Thank you. Good morning.
I have to say, and I always say this, but this really is, and I mean this is something else, having a campsite in a village with 7 pubs, and you're 5 miles away from Leamington Spa, 5 miles away from Saltham, or even less than that.
Hold on a minute, Whiffy. You pause that vocal button. Right, go.
Hang on, I'll be back.
Where are you going?
Hang on. I'm back. So as I said, it's a cracking site. Everything's around. There's not many campsites that are behind a pub.
In a village.
In a village that has 1 pond, the largest pond in Warwickshire.
1 shop.
1 shop, literally just round the corner.
And 7 pubs.
It's brilliant.
Yeah, no, it's actually, but it's very peaceful and it's very nice. And we've got a little river down the bottom of this campsite. They had a fire pit over there last night. You can use the toilets, and there's a shower in the pub. It's just adjacent to where we are. There's like an external building with a little shower and a toilet, and then you can actually go in the pub where there's other toilets to use. But so £20 a night.
£20 a night. They've only just turned it adult season this year because they did have children here last year, but
there's trouble last year, so they've made it adults only apparently.
Yeah, so adult only, £20 a night. Now this village, I keep calling it the Little Itch, but what is it? Long
Itchington.
Or the Little Itch. Is the prettiest village in Warwickshire, but I would claim this is one of the best villages in the UK for stuff to do.
I don't know how she's made that claim, if I'm being honest with you.
Because I can make claims.
Well, there's only 1 shop, 1 pond and 7 pubs. It's not exactly
a
high street, is there?
But that wouldn't be a village if it had a high street, that'd be a town.
Okay, this is why I don't do this.
Oh, goodness me.
Okay, whatever she said.
Yeah.
Yeah, is that right?
Yeah.
Sweet. And right, Nelson, you can't sit there neither.
Come on. Get in your travel seat, Nels. Come on, let's harness you up. Come on. Good boy, darling. I'll be back to you, Nels.
Bones sinking like stones, all that we fall for. Homes, places we've grown, all of us are done.